Hello, and welcome to English in Minutes.
Hi, everyone. We are your hosts, Emily and Jack.
Today, we are talking about a very fun topic.
Yes, we are talking about making weekend plans.
This is so useful. We all need to relax and have fun.
Please remember to subscribe and like this video.
It helps other learners find us. Let us begin. So, do you have any plans for this weekend?
My plan is to make a plan.
That sounds like my plan every week. I am the same.
I think about it a lot on Thursday, but on Friday I forget.
Yes, my mind is empty on Friday. No thoughts.
But a plan can be very small. It does not need to be big.
That is true. A small plan is less scary.
And sometimes no plan is okay too. Life is surprising.
But a little plan can help. It is like a gentle guide.
A guide for your free time. Yes, I like that idea.
Tell me about your last weekend. What happened?
My plan was very, very simple. I wanted to sleep.
Sleep is a great plan. It is my favorite activity.
Mine too. I wanted to sleep until 10 o'clock.
Did you sleep until 10?
No, I did not. My cat had a different idea.
Oh no. What did your cat do?
He jumped on my bed at 6 in the morning.
6 o'clock is very early for a weekend.
It is. He walked on my head. He said meow in my ear.
He said, "Good morning, breakfast time."
Yes, exactly. So my sleep plan was finished. I was awake.
So, what did you do after the cat alarm?
I was tired, but I made some coffee. The coffee was good.
Coffee makes everything better in the morning.
It does. I sat and drank my coffee. It was quiet and nice.
So, a nice quiet moment. That is a good start.
Then I thought, I will go outside. I will go for a walk.
A walk is a healthy plan. Good for your body.
I put on my shoes and my jacket. I opened my front door.
And then?
And then I saw the sky. It was gray, very gray.
Gray sky means rain sometimes.
Yes, a small rain was falling, a light, cold rain.
Oh, so your walk plan had a problem.
It did. I do not like walking in the rain. My hair gets wet.
Wet hair is not fun, so you stayed home.
I stayed home. I closed the door. I felt a little sad.
I understand. Changed plans can feel disappointing.
Yes, but then later my phone made a sound.
A message from a friend?
It was a call. It was my friend Sam.
What did Sam say?
He said, "Hello, what are you doing right now?"
And what did you tell him?
I said, "I am doing nothing. I am an expert at nothing."
That is a funny thing to say.
He laughed too. Then he asked me to come to his house.
A spontaneous invitation. I like those.
Me too. I said yes, I will come. I was happy.
So you went to your friend's house.
I did. I took a bus to his neighborhood.
What did you do there?
We watched an old comedy movie. It was very silly.
Silly movies are the best for a relaxed day.
We ate popcorn, we talked about our jobs, we laughed.
It sounds like a perfect afternoon.
It was. I went home in the evening and I felt good.
So your weekend with no big plan was very nice.
It was nice because of a friend. Friendship is a good plan.
This weekend, I want to do something different.
Different? What does different mean for you?
Different means not my normal routine. I want to move my body.
You want to exercise, like running?
No, not running. Running is too hard for me.
Me too. I run only if a dog is chasing me.
Exactly. I was thinking about a long walk.
A walk is good. Walking is easy and peaceful.
I want to walk in the big park near the river.
That is a beautiful park. There are many trees there.
And there are birds. I like to listen to the birds sing.
Will you go alone or with a person?
I think I will go alone first. Alone time is quiet time.
I understand. You can think your own thoughts.
Yes, maybe I will take a book and sit on a bench.
That is a classic plan. A book, a bench, and birds.
But if a friend calls, maybe we can walk together.
So your plan is flexible. That is smart.
I have a funny story about a walking plan.
Tell me your funny story. I want to hear it.
Last month, I planned to walk for 1 hour.
Okay, 1 hour is a good goal.
I started walking. I felt strong and healthy.
That is a good feeling.
But after 15 minutes, I saw a bakery.
Oh, a bakery. That is dangerous.
It was. The smell of fresh bread was in the air.
So, what did you do?
I went inside. I bought a very big, warm cinnamon roll.
So, your healthy walk became a bakery visit.
Yes, I ate the cinnamon roll on a bench. It was delicious.
And then you walked home.
I walked home very slowly. My walk was only 30 minutes total.
But you had a delicious adventure. That is a good plan, too.
Last weekend, I did not have any plan. I felt very bored.
Boredom is not a good feeling. What did you do?
I turned on the television. I started watching a show.
Was the show interesting?
At first, yes, but then I watched another show and another.
How many hours did you watch?
Maybe from 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 4 hours.
That is a long time to watch television.
It is. When I turned off the TV, the room was very quiet.
And how did you feel?
I felt slow. My brain felt tired, like warm soup.
Soup brain. I know that feeling. My brain felt like soup too.
Warm soup is good for eating, but not for thinking.
True. We want our brains to feel fresh and clean.
Like a salad with many colors.
Yes, a brain salad. We need plans for a brain salad.
So, how can we make better plans, easy plans?
We should start with one very simple question.
What is the question? Tell me.
The question is, do you want to go out or stay in?
Only 2 choices. That is easy to understand.
Yes, out the door or in the home. Choose one.
Okay, let's talk about staying in plans first.
Staying in is comfortable. You can wear soft pants.
Soft pants are important for a good day.
They are. What can you do at home? Let's make a list.
I love lists. List number 1, please.
Number 1, call a friend or a family member.
A long talk on the phone can make you feel connected.
You can talk about simple things, the weather, your day.
Number 2, cook something new. Try a simple recipe.
Last week, I cooked eggs with vegetables. It was easy.
Cooking can be fun, and then you have food to eat.
Number 3, read a book. Just read 10 pages.
Or you can listen to music and relax.
Music can change your mood. Happy music for a happy day.
Number 4, do a small home project.
Like organizing your shoes or cleaning a window.
Yes, a clean window lets in more light. More light is good.
Number 5, write something. Write in a diary.
You can write 3 things you are thankful for.
That is a beautiful plan. It makes you feel positive.
Number 6, do a puzzle. A small puzzle with many pieces.
Puzzles are good for your brain. They are like a game.
Number 7, just sit and look out the window.
That is a plan too. Observing the world is an activity.
Now, what about going out plans?
Going out gets you new air and new sights.
But it can feel difficult. Too many people, too much noise.
So choose easy places, quiet places. Let's make another list.
List number 2, I am ready.
Number 1, go to a park. Sit on the grass.
You can watch children play. It is happy to see.
Number 2, visit a library. Libraries are quiet and free.
You can read magazines or just sit in a chair.
Number 3, go to a cafe. Order 1 drink and sit.
You can watch people walk by outside the window.
Number 4, walk in a new neighborhood.
Look at the houses and the gardens. Imagine stories.
Number 5, visit a free museum or a gallery.
You do not need to see everything. See one thing you like.
Number 6, go to a pet store and look at the animals.
That is a fun plan. I like to see the fish.
Number 7, take a bus to the last stop and see where you are.
That is an adventure. You can discover a new place.
Number 8, find a quiet bench in the city and read a book.
The city is full of quiet corners if you look for them.
Now I have one very important tip for you.
What is your tip? I want to know.
Do not make a big, perfect plan. A big plan is scary.
Why is it scary?
Because you think, I must do many things. I must have fun every minute.
That sounds like a job. Director of fun.
Yes, do not take that job. It is too hard.
So, what should we do instead?
Make a very, very small plan, a tiny plan.
How tiny? Give me an example.
For example, on Saturday, I will buy a nice apple from the market.
Just an apple? That is the whole plan?
That's the plan. You go to the market, you choose a red apple, you buy it.
That is very simple. I can do that.
Then you eat the apple. Maybe you sit on a bench to eat it.
So the plan is small and focused on one thing.
Yes. After that, everything else is extra. No pressure.
I like that idea. No pressure is good.
Another example, on Sunday, I will write a short letter to my friend.
A real paper letter? That is special.
Yes, you write, "Hello, how are you? I'm thinking of you."
That is a kind and simple plan.
Small, kind, and simple. That is the secret to good weekends.
Give me one more example for people who are very tired.
Okay, for a tired person, the plan can be, I will make a cup of tea and drink it while it is hot.
That is a perfect plan. Hot tea is a small pleasure.
Yes, the plan is not to save the world. The plan is to enjoy your tea.
I really like that. One small thing can change your whole day.
It gives you a purpose, a small, happy purpose.
And if you do more things, you feel very successful.
Yes, I bought my apple and I cleaned my desk. I am amazing.
Small victories feel big.
They do. My thought is this: a bad plan is better than no plan.
Why do you say that? A bad plan sounds bad.
Because a bad plan gives you a story, a funny story.
Tell me a story about a bad plan.
Okay, one time my plan was to have a picnic.
A picnic is a nice plan.
I prepared sandwiches and fruit. I went to the park.
And then?
And then many, many ants came to my picnic.
Oh no, ants love picnics.
Yes, they do. They were on my blanket, on my food.
So what did you do?
I packed my food very fast. I went home and ate in my kitchen.
So your picnic was a kitchen nick.
Exactly, a kitchen nick. It was funny later.
So a bad plan made a good memory.
Yes, no plan might have given me no memory at all.
I have a bad plan story too.
Please tell me. I want to hear it.
My plan was to learn to paint. I bought paper and paints.
That's a creative plan. I like it.
I put water in a cup, I opened the paints, I was ready.
And then?
And then I painted one blue line on the paper.
Okay, a good start.
Then my phone rang. I talked for 20 minutes.
That happens.
I went back to the paper, the paint was dry, my idea was gone.
So your painting plan was one blue line.
Yes, one blue line. But it's okay, I tried.
I agree with you. A small plan gives you hope.
Hope during the week is important.
On Monday, you can think, soon it's weekend. I will do my small thing.
That thought makes Monday happier.
It does. So we should stop talking about plans now.
You're right. We should make our own small plans.
I will make my plan after this. One small thing.
My plan is to drink water and look at the sky for 5 minutes.
That is a beautiful plan. Very simple and good for you.
Let us do a short recap.
Making weekend plans is easy.
First, ask yourself, go out or stay in?
Then make one small, kind plan. Do not make a big, scary plan.
Your plan can be very simple. Buy a fruit, call a friend, walk for 10 minutes.
Try it this weekend. Talk about your plan in English.
You can say, this weekend, my plan is to... It's good practice.
You can do it. A good weekend helps you feel happy and relaxed.
Thank you for listening to us today. Please share this video.
See you next time on English in Minutes.